Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome once again to the Day Trader. It's good to have you back here. May 24th, closing bell. Let's get straight into our trades, our positions. Been another difficult day today on the markets. Every day now for 7 weeks, down and down and down. And I'm only glad that I'm not actually in margin. Otherwise, today would have been another horrific day. Stress levels would have been up. I would have been selling for losses. It would have been terrible, but that's not the case. We're out of margin. We are losing money, but we are repositioning. We are making profits. We are buying the dips, and that's okay. It's all you can do right now. So let's go into our trades and have a look at where we are. Let's get straight into it. And Bloodbath Black Tuesday, indeed it is. But a lot less stress for us right now. Market profit, that's his comment. Let's bring him onto the screen. Subscribe, ring the bell, and smash the like button. Here he is, first person in the main show. Mike was here in the pre-show first. Market profit, lovely to have you here. And yes, you're absolutely right. We're getting another beat up today. Down another 2.96%, another $971. What a difficult time. And the majority of my money, by a long way, is the most stable asset there is. The Vanguard S&P 500, ticker symbol VOO, VOO. And as you can see, that's 29.3% of my portfolio. And that is up slightly at the moment. I'm down today, but I'm still up 0.25% at the moment. So there you go. If it wasn't for that, it would be a lot worse. So I'm in the right places. I'm in the right stocks. My diversification is right. And I'm just glad that I'm not in margin. Is your margin gone? I no longer have... is your margin gone, or if your margin is gone? With your margin gone. With your margin gone, I no longer have stress anymore for you. Thank you on behalf of both of us. That is a great comment. With your margin gone, I no longer have stress anymore for you. Thank you on behalf of both of us. That's a brilliant one. I'm going down fast, right with you, Mike. What's your overall position, and are you in margin at all? Mike, will you likely have another 20 to 30% more down? We will likely have more than another 20 to 30% down. Stay strong. Wow. I mean, you are predicting such numbers, market, and you've been absolutely right all this time. I have read, though, the S&P has never been down for more than 7 weeks consecutively. This is now breaking records. Everybody said, typically, in history, that after 7 weeks, stocks start to turn up. Well, we're just not getting it. It's the worst we've ever seen. It's probably the worst time to ever get into the markets, I would imagine. And another thing, it's great to buy the dips, but if the companies are being reduced in size, not just sell-offs, they're not necessarily on discount. They're just smaller. And that's the problem. If the companies are the same companies, they're just oversold through fear, then great. You are buying a discount. You are preparing for the best future ever because you're buying stocks at a bargain. But if this continues like it has, the companies become smaller, less profitable, they suffer themselves, and they're not going to bounce all the way back up again. But who knows? I mean, how long can it go for? I have to say, it does feel a very different experience for me right now, being in this market without having to worry about margin anymore. They will pause the interest rate rises. I can't see how they can't. Something's got to happen. Anyway, this afternoon, we are waiting to see if we can trade SPCE. We're trying to see if we can trade SPCE for $6.40. It makes a $350 profit, and take that out. I've got nothing else to sell at the moment. No point really selling My VU, there's no profit hardly at all now. I've got 0.4%. That's it. Market profit. We are due for a bear market rally, but even rallies end off being sold even harder. Then the only thing we can look at is the Federal Reserve will loosen monetary policy and begin to pivot. Well, let's hope so. That will be our only hope for a market rebound. There we go. CMB Studio is here. Good morning, Tom. Welcome back to the party. If you've just tuned in, let me just make sure that we're all good. We need you to hit the subscribe, ring the bell if you've never done it before. Give us a thumbs up. We've got 7 watching, 4 likes. We're just starting the show. I did go early. Check all my screens. All my screens are good. We're looking very good. Let's get those likes up. Everybody, welcome to the show. All right. I want to thank everybody. We gained another subscriber today, 3,226. Very slow the last couple of days. I've noticed with the market getting depressed, the numbers are going down. People are getting struggling, so the numbers are going down. It is happening. But anyway, got to keep on plodding forward. I want to thank everyone today for the Rivian video. Tom, we had a Rivian truck drive down my road yesterday. I made a video on it, and it's one of our cash draw videos where we're going to do a draw. And here it is. If you've not watched it, and I asked my team to all watch it, all my family to watch it live at the end of the morning at the opening bell. The vast majority did, and I said, everyone leave a comment with the word Rivian in it to be in the draw, and there it is in the chat. And most people did that. And I want to thank you because since this morning's release, it's done 78 views, which is great. It's good for me. It's a good number for my show. But more importantly, I did say, when you watch it, to give me more watch time, to give the maximum amount of watch time, watch it all the way through to the end. And if you really want to do something special, before it ends, drag the timeline back. That way, the video will have a more than 100% watch time, which really tells YouTube to show the video. And I want to thank you. So most of you did that, and let me tell you why. It's a 2 minute and 52 second video. I'm looking at it now, 2 minutes and 52 seconds long. And after the premiere, when you were all watching it, it was 4 minutes and 12 average watch time, which means everybody watched it and dragged it back, which was great. So now it's been shown to it's been shown its impressions of 384. It's still actually showing 2 minutes 34, which is fantastic, about 90% watch time. Because remember, you only want one person to click on it, and a lot of people do click on videos and click straight away, and now you've got a 1% watch time, So to be up all of you, all my family, for watching it, rewinding it, you know who you are. Nearly all of you did that, so that was great. Thank you very, very much indeed for doing that. Anyway, I've set up a new display here for the show. All of my stocks now are are visible. Some of the stocks wasn't visible, so I'm going to go through my full portfolio now, and you can see them all. So we've got the S&P 500 at the top, Virgin Galactic. These are all now together. My biggest stocks at the top, going down to my dividends at the bottom, and then the new entries. Okay, Tesla, Rivian, Lucid, Arrival, Amazon. This is my full portfolio. I think it's 42 stocks. Apple, Robinhood, McDonald's, some are very small positions, Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, MasterCard, Google, Microsoft, Nvidia, Meta, Facebook, SoFi, IonQ, PayPal, Rolls-Royce, Walmart, Target, Tesco's, Canoe, On, IPOF, Tilray Brands, Ginkgo Bioworks, Open Door, Enphase Energy, Bitcoin SV, which is doing great, by the way, as predicted by Peru, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. The only stocks I can't show, because there's literally no more room on my desktop, I won't be able to see the names if I do, are my dividend stocks. So I have some dividend ETFs, SDIV, XWorld, all these things. There's a Vanguard, there's a few. They are my ETFs. Other than VU, the rest are not on view. So there's a few more, but they're all the dividend stocks, ETFs. So they're not, you know, I don't need to show those, but they are there, and I can show those if you ever want to see them by scrolling down at the bottom. As you can see, QQQ, VUG, VTI, VEU, PBW, SDIV, DIV, QQQ there. They're the only ones. So now you can see my entire portfolio at any point. You can request it. All right. I think it's a bit easier for everyone to see now. All right. I've set up a new set of tabs. Anyway, thank you ever so much, everybody who did watch all the way through the video and rewind it. I really did appreciate it. So let's hopefully YouTube will suggest it and the video will grow. That would be absolutely fantastic. Okay. Now then, we've got 12 watching and just 4 likes. Everyone's forgotten to like the video again. Everybody, 1 minute on the clock. Smash the like button. Let's go. Here we go. Smash the like. Let's get to at least 10 likes. It's been very quiet these last couple of days. I know everyone's struggling right now. Market profit. These stocks will continue to bleed, in my opinion. Nicholas Morello says, Hood, more cash than market cap. I'll grab that. Yes, indeed. It is very, very low right now. Smash the like button. Here's Mr. Mini-Me. Mr. Mini-Me says smash the like button. Just 6 likes, 14 watching. Smash the like button, guys. Today's going to be okay. I know it's tough for everyone, but we should all be positioned in a good place right now. Smash the like. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Fantastic. Robbie Cooper, hello to you. Those stocks will continue to bleed, in my opinion. Robbie Cooper, a sea of red. Yes. How are you? I'm very well, thank you, Robbie. I hope so. I'll continue to buy. I wanted a diverse portfolio and have around 40 stocks. Yes. I'm around about 40 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Yeah, 40 if I include my crypto. Market said not to do that. He did. I mean, I've got a diverse portfolio. I believe in that. I do think possibly. I mean, I've got 5 dividend ETFs. I could put them all into one. I guess I could. They all perform about the same. Or I could just sell them all and go into Vanguard S&P. I could do that. That pays a decent. But, you know, the other ones don't have so much growth, but they have more. I mean, the thing is, with all the dividend stuff, you get a higher dividend on a lower growth. If you get a growth stock, you might get a lower dividend. It's kind of horses for courses, really. Market profit is getting you some getting you some very good advice, Martin. Yep. It's been very, very useful to me. And I have to say, at the end of the day, the only thing that's of value, really, is our health and our happiness. If you're stressed and ill and and stuff. It doesn't matter how much money you make or how fast you're growing your YouTube channel or whatever it is you think you're doing. If you're killing yourself, it's pretty pointless. And over the last 24 hours, 2 days, I feel my pressure has gone. My breathing is better. My heart rate is down. Member poll. You are a member. Tom, you can have a poll. Does the family like the new CMV Studio business cards? Pick in your Discord. All right, we can do a poll for you. Let's have a look. Where have you put them? Pick in your Discord messages. Let me go over there now. Let's have a look, Tom. All right. All right. So Tom, as a member, can do a poll. As long as it's not offensive, and I don't think that's offensive. He wants to know, does the family like the new CMV Studio business cards? It's a bit of a leading question, though, but I will do it because you remember, you're asking people if they like something. It's a very supportive family, so I reckon everybody will go yes. But, you know, that's the poll you want. That's the poll you can have. The only thing I would say, Tom, looking at this, I think the cards are great, but this is obviously a digital card. I have a picture here. I would have made these buttons like HTML links. So if I click on that, it takes to my YouTube channel. If I click on that, I mean, I know this is a business card you're going to print, but right now, this should be a digital version. I would leave it exactly as it is, but make that image that you've overlaid there a HTML link. Or at least put something here that I can click on. Look, it's a picture, it doesn't do anything. I can click on that, and that would do something. If you're sharing a business card online, make it clickable. I would absolutely make it clickable. All right, but anyway, there it is. I'm going to ask the question because you are a member and you are entitled to a poll. They are the artist proof. I will change them to a digital once they are sent to print. Okay, good. Yeah, make sure you do that. I think that would be a good suggestion. Okay. The question is, does the family, I'm going to copy the question as you wrote it. Whoops-a-daisy. So I'm using your words. Does the family like the new CMV business cards? Okay. We do this for members. If you are a member and you want to have a poll in the show, you can. As long as it's not offensive, you can have it. All right, so here we go. Does the family... This is Tom's words, Tom's poll. Does the family like the new CMV business cards? There you go. So, there you go. This is Tom's new business cards. They are in the Discord group. There they are. So, there you go. All right. So we're waiting to get a 640, I think 645 trade on Robinhood, on Virgin Galactic to sell these. I've got no more money to invest right now. My buying power is $2.06, so I think we're pretty much agreed. There's no profit left there. The Vanguard S&P is coming up slowly. There is 0.5% profit. I am actually in profit, so I could sell one. But it's very little. I'm going to leave it for a while. Think we might get a rally into the close. That would certainly be nice. Certainly be nice. The question of the poll is for Tom's CMV Studio business cards he's designed. It's not. I didn't. It wasn't my question. It was a member's question. It was Tom. He asked the question. That's how he put it. So there you go. I think it's funny because I don't know. Will everybody be honest? Yeah, it's a very supportive family. And you're saying, do you like my business cards? No one's going to go no, are they? In fact, someone has. Let's have a look. How many votes have we got now? 8 votes. This is what happens. Poor design for the card. This is what happens. This is what happens when you do a poll, Tom. People are being honest, and it's a good thing, I guess, right? Three, three people don't like. Yeah, 3 people don't like him. Oh dear, I'm not sure I'd do a poll like that. Does everyone like my face? I don't know. That's I wouldn't be as brave as you, Tom. I'll give you that one. Hi, family. Hi, family. Anyway, smash the like button. Rivian is down today, 6.9% today. I bought the dips now, though. Been buying more of it. Lucid continued to fall. I mean, it's just, if you've got money now, I mean, well, I say that if you've got money, the trouble is you buy and it just goes lower. I mean, it doesn't matter where you buy it, does it? It just goes lower. This is bad, Martin. The market. Yeah, I mean, look, we are now getting companies that won't recover. Someone told me, and I forget who it was, it might have been Market Profit. Someone told me months ago that in a few years, 80% of these companies won't even be here. I don't know who it was who told me that, because that sounds horrific. But if this continues, everyone's still eating burgers, though. Everyone's still eating burgers. Look at that. McDonald's is up 2.65. I've got hardly. I haven't even got one share. I've got $8, but I'm up. In fact, I'm down on it. I bought it too late. But anyway, they're up to 2.66%. Coca-Cola doing well today. Johnson & Johnson, my 3 top companies that I love. McDonald's, Coke, and Johnson & Johnson. Tesla is now down 8%. I mean, at what point are you going to buy in Market Profit? At what point do you buy Tesla? I mean, it's just incredible, right? The buying time is in June. You think so? These high growth stocks need to prove earnings. If they have a great idea, it means nothing, and they won't survive as a company. That's very true. This is how the elite pull the strings. They crash the markets, then direct the anger. I don't know. We've got no anger here. We've got just reality, calmness, and we're doing what we need to do to fix it. Market Profit, I've said it, and I'm going to say it again and again and again. Thank you so much indeed for getting me out of margin. You pushed and pushed and pushed for weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks. And finally, I conceded. I only wish I'd done it earlier. But there you go. You have to feel the pain to learn these things. Anyway, there we go. There is Tom's. We've got a poll here. As a member, you can have a poll in the chat. And Tom wants to know from CNB Studio, do you like his business cards? I think he's a really brave man asking the family, do you like my business cards? Some people are going no. Because 67% say yeah, the rest say no. There you go, Tom. Very tough to ask that question. Tesla fair market value is somewhere in the 200 to 300 range if you base it on earnings after PE compression. It's okay, everyone learns. Can you show the other pick as well? That's the second side, the other side. All right, of course I can. Of course I can, Tom. Gladly show this side as well. It's very much like the first side, though. He's got a front and back. There we go. He's got a front and back. Pretty much the same. Just the different icons. But there you go. I thought Drillian, was it Drillian? I think Drillian had a great comment. I think it was Drillian said, poor design for the card. There's nothing like, ask the family, be honest. I tell you what, best way, because you asked your mum, she goes, oh, they're lovely, Tom. Brilliant, best thing ever. You ask these people here, professional investors, business people, at least you get an honest answer, which is what you want, right? No point everyone saying you're great. No point saying you're great. You learn from your mistakes. You learn nothing from success. All right, back to the stocks there, Tom. Giving you a good go here this afternoon. Coinbase PE ratio is 6. And market profit says it's overvalued. Then says Tesla is a buy with a PE ratio of 20. Nicholas Morello, that's his point of view there. They look great, Tom. Here you go. Basically, Simon Jones is your mum. He thinks they look great. If Tesla sees 200 to 300, the whole world will go all in. Yeah, I'd imagine. It's one of the biggest traded stocks already. So, we're getting lower and lower every day, right? 624. Dow Jones doing well today despite all the selling pressure. Consumer staples with good warning and low PE will do the best through these market conditions. There it is. I just have to excuse myself for a moment, guys. If someone would take over the show, I just need to go to the restroom for one moment. So I'm going to click a commercial. If you want to watch it for 2-3 minutes, please do, because I'm not going to be here. You might as well give me a cent and earn me a cent. I'll be back, or carry on the chat, entertain yourself. Paul said I've changed my mind. I like the business cards. I thought Paul said he didn't like. I thought Paul said he did like them. What did Paul say? He probably voted down. There you go. So you got one extra vote. Paul said, I've changed my mind. I like the business cards. There you go. Right. Excuse me a second. I'm just going to go to the restroom. There's my portfolio on the screen. And I voted no. There you go. There you go. That's going to change it quite a bit. Somewhere in the 75% range. Excuse me. I'm just going to go to the restroom. Oh, did I click the ad? No, I didn't. Here's the ad. Go and watch the ad. Earn me a cent. I'll be right back. Okay, thank you very much for your patience. BSV is on fire. Let's have a look. Let's bring these comments on the screen. Martin's gone for a pony. Let's have a look. Scroll back down. I had bought Tesla a few months ago back after trading so many times and got stuck at 1,055. We've all done that, Mike. I was there. Absolutely. Ouch. Yes. Is that your average, Mike? What's your average? Mike, will it be back in 2 years? Tops is my guess. Market profit. Q2 earnings report for Tesla is going to make the biggest Tesla bulls cry. The amount of vehicle production being offline is eye-watering. It's so important to have market profit here on this, isn't it? Yes, only have 3 now. BSV is on fire. Let's take a look at it. BSV, it's up today. I'm up 9.29%. 9.29%. I only have one, but the way I put this is, that's like, imagine you own one BTC, one Bitcoin. I know this is Bitcoin, we're going to argue this all day long, but anyway, wouldn't you be excited if you owned a whole Bitcoin? Well, you do with BSV, and what if it one day goes to tens of thousands? You only need to own one. You've got no risk. You know, why not? Why not? And I'm thrilled to bits. I'm up 9.56%. It's great. As opposed to my other crypto, Bitcoin, is down. BTC, that is. And then Ethereum is down. So there you go. It's the tide has turned. Dow Jones about to turn positive. That's good to know. BSV is down more than Bitcoin in the last 24 hours. BSV is down more than Bitcoin in the last 24 hours. Paul, I can't say how I see that. I'm looking at Bitcoin. I'm looking at BSV. How are you seeing that? I don't see that. So, for those of you who've just come in, if you remember, you can have a poll. And Tom has asked for a poll. He wants to show you his business cards, and he wants the poll I've put in. This is Tom's poll, and Tom wants to know: do you like his business cards? It's a very personal one. If you don't like them, say no, they're rubbish. If you like them, say you like them. All right. Tom wants an honest answer. He wants to know what people think. As a member, you can have it. You can have a poll. All right? Fantastic. I think we've done that now, so I'm going to end the poll. How many people? There are 16 people watching. 8 likes. We've got the lowest likes today. Terrible. What's going on? What's going on? Smash the like button, folks. And I'll leave the poll up for a little longer then. See if we can get a better result. More accurate result for Tom. Hi Paddy, how you doing? Isn't Tesla about more than cars though? It is. A lot more than cars. Cars is only the beginning. I've lost 1,300 on 3 shares as of now. I know how you feel, Mike. I've been there myself. Paul, yes, solar is the big thing in the future. Taxi, yeah, the robo-taxis, of course. Batteries, Tesla and AI, artificial intelligence, will be the biggest thing. The robots. You've seen iRobot? That's basically Elon Musk. That's what's coming down the line. So much more. Everyone likes my predictions now after everything I warned about coming to reality back in March and February. I was the doom and gloom guy. Well, you were the doom and gloom guy because we were all thinking it's all great. Now we're all going, yeah, okay. With Tesla, I wouldn't be worrying about a single quarter's earnings in 2022. I'm not worried. It's why I haven't sold. It's why it's why I haven't sold. Tesla will lose the carbon credits, though, will they? Don't know about that. The taxis, solar and robots will be good. There you go. William Caron's got a mention. What has been keeping Tesla up is that everyone is invested in it, not its fundamentals. In these type of markets, fundamentals matter. I mean, that's the reality. That's how all stocks trade. All stocks are up, even if the company didn't exist. Even if the company didn't exist, it was all a joke. Like crypto, you could argue, right? Even if it didn't do anything and it was all a joke and it was all a lie. The fact of the matter is, if people buy stocks, they go up. If people sell stocks, they go down. It's absolutely irrelevant. Of course, people only want to buy something they think is going to go up, though. But fundamentals, really, as important as it is, takes a back seat to human sentiment and human behavior. And at the end of the day, I don't care how good Tesla is or how bad Tesla is. If everyone today said, let's buy it, because it's going to be great. I guarantee the price would go up. If everyone today said Tesla is about to go to zero, I guarantee everybody would sell out. The difference between Tesla or Apple or Rivian or Lucid or any of these companies that actually own products and buildings and assets, your crypto market has nothing other than faith. That's all it has. Anyway, market profit. What is your timeline still? Like 6 months till the bottom? Are you still thinking that? Technology is the future. Tech stocks will rebound bigly. I believe that. I do believe that. It's why my portfolio is so much invested in tech. High risk. And high risk as well. I say high risk. I've got S&P 500. But high risk because I'm 53 years of age. And I want to, by 65, get a $200,000 portfolio. Move into dividends, which pays 20% a year. That's what I need. So, I have to be a little bit risky. We are seeing a bounce. Look at this today. We're seeing the S&P 500 come up. There is money there, no question. We are seeing some money. Look at that. We are seeing quite a bounce very quickly into the close. No question about it. We are green on the hour. There we go. The gains are coming from the S&P. They're coming from, now Virgin Galactic, 645. I will sell those 40. I've got an order already placed. And it'll go in. Tesla. I bought some Tesla today. And I made a profit on it. So that was good. Yeah, I think I bought here, didn't I? And sold here. So that was good. My average is now 711. Much, much better. Rivian. I've now got 14 shares, average of 27. Happy with that. That's doing well. It's picking up now. Right. What is it with these days? Is it because we're all losing money? Everyone's half asleep or tired or whatever it is. Because every day I have to get everyone to like the video. 20 watching and 8 likes. 1 minute on the clock. I want 20 likes. Wakey, wakey. Is there anybody there? 20. Here we go. Smash the like button. Come on. Here we go. 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 Smash, smash, smash the like button. Come on. Let's do it. I'm going to move that over there. Then he can be there at the same time. There you go. How about that? Mr. Mini-Me. I can make Mr. Mini-Me dance. Mr. Mini-Me is dancing. Why didn't I think of that earlier? Oops. Mr. Mini-Me. Sorry about that, Mr. Mini-Me. I apologise. You don't want to be that big here. No. Chicky chick chick chicky 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 ba oo. There we go. Thank you very much. Did we get the likes up? Did we get the likes up? Let's have a look. 12 likes after all that. After all that drama, that's all we did. That's rubbish. That's rubbish. I have no idea what that's all about. No idea whatsoever. Anyway. Not good with as many as I have. What's that? I bought Rivian at 65. Ouch. Babe, mate, we've all been there. We've all been where you are right now. It's tough. We get it. Rivian. Oh, that's better. Hey, we're getting a real bounce. Now, Market Profit was saying we were going to get a bounce, and then it would just still a bear market. We get a bit of a recovery, and then it will sell off. I'm on my way right now to purchase a 120-acre lakefront property where I'll be raising bison and farming in Sasquatch. Wow. I'm on my way now to buy a 120 acre. That sounds wonderful. Market Profit, that sounds wonderful. Here he is, Rocket Man. It's me, Madman across the river. Yep, Friday, membership day. Sam, your video will be on your channel. And we'll be promoting your channel and getting people to subscribe and like and all that wonderful stuff. That happens on Friday. We're very much looking forward to that. Hope you are too. Market Profit is a billionaire. Hey, he supported the channel very well. He's a member of our channel. He helps keep it live. He gives me tips from time to time. We appreciate Market Profit enormously. Wonder if I should hold on or sell the Rivian and take the loss. That depends on your overall portfolio, doesn't it? That really depends on your overall portfolio. We've looked at Rivian. We know it's a good company. You saw the video. Thank you ever so much, everybody who watched the video this morning and rewound it as well, because the watch time was near 200%. That means you watched it through, and before it finished, you rewound it. And most of you must have done that. Most of you must have done that. The watch time has gone down now because regular people who have no commitment to the channel are watching, and of course some click off in the first second. That's what happens on YouTube. But going into all of that, you guys watched it all the way through and rewound it before it finished. So the watch time was something like 200%, like 4 minutes. It was only a 2-minute, 25-second video. So I was really thrilled. So thank you ever so much. Everyone did that. Now, just before I take off Tom's business card, Tom, as a member, is able to have a poll, and he wanted to know his words, his question: do you like his business card? Yes or no? And I was very impressed that he wanted to do such a question, because I thought, well, people are going to tell you straight. That's the front, that's the back. So do you like his business card? If, yes or no? And I'm going to end the poll now. I think everyone has now had the chance to do it. So Tom, CNB Studio, are you still here in the chat? Hamish is here. Hamish became one of our new members yesterday. Hope you're taking advantage of all the perks and the benefits. You've got a 3 month trial. Wonderful stuff. You're recognized in the chat. You've got lots of perks and benefits. Go and check out the perk benefits and see what you get. Make sure that you take advantage of all your benefits, because ask any of our members and it pays back all the time. If you sell it, it will pop. That's the rules. Yeah, we've all done that. We've all done that. We've all sold and then it pops. Absolutely. This is nice to see, though. Nice to see. Can I get a trade of SPCE? 645. I will sell. There's an order placed, and it's ready to rock and roll. See what we can do. Now, I've emailed Robinhood. I want everyone to know about the FIFO. First in, first out. But I didn't want to sell the first in, first out. I wanted to sell the shares I bought today. So I've got an actual template. If anybody wants to see the template and the email address that I use for Robinhood to be able to choose the lots I wish to sell, ask me and I will share it onto Discord. And you can all go and have a look. And I'll put it in general chit chat, and you can all see it, the exact email. All right. Yes, I'm here. Well, there you go, Tom. You had a 75% says they like it, and in fact, one of our persons who voted said he voted no and would have preferred to have voted yes. So that would mean you've got about 80%. All right, you're 75% now, but actually he's decided he likes the card. So 80%. So you're happy with that? I'm going to end the poll right now. 16 votes. Thank you very much indeed for voting on that for Tom. Any member can have a poll in the chat. I'm going to hold and see if it goes somewhere close to where I purchased, Paul. I would hold, but again, it depends on your portfolio, your balance, if you need the money, if you think it's going to go lower. I mean, you know, it's all relative. I'm keeping Rivian. You saw the Rivian van come down my street. You know, the Amazon vans are around. The Amazon van drove down. If you didn't see the Amazon video, Amazon Rivian truck drove right past my front door yesterday, and I made a video on it. Now, if you've not yet seen it, here's the video. It's also a cashback video where we're doing a cash giveaway. So if you want to watch it all the way through, leave a like and the comment including the word Rivian. You can be in that as well. There you go. And we will do that. We will do that later in the week when more people have had a chance to watch it. All right, there you go. I think you should be patient, Mike. It might be 100 in a couple of years. Oh, totally, absolutely, definitely 100 in a couple of years. Definitely, absolutely. Whatever price you've paid for it, you'll make money on it. Just think of it this way, Mike, just to make you feel better, just for a moment, just for the briefest of moments, there are some people who own Rivian, or at least they paid for $170 a share. There are people who paid $170 for Rivian because it went for 170. Now, they might have sold out now and took a huge loss, or they might be holding it, but there are people who paid $170. I did, sold it, but I don't hold any at that price, but some people did. So, do you feel a bit better now? You should do. Market profit, thoughts on Snap. I hate Snap. What's it called? Snapchat. Yeah, I hate Snapchat. Down 44% in a day. How is that possible? It makes people lose faith in the market's ability to price assets. Very true. Yeah, I feel better now. There you go. You should feel better. You should feel better. The markets on this last hour, look at that. Don't you prefer green? Doesn't it feel, I don't know if anybody else feels like this, but when you look at red all day, it really does feel depressing. Green is definitely better. No question. I definitely like green. Here's a little poll for you. Here's a bit of fun. Right now, I've got $3,000 in the bank that I don't use to pay any bills whatsoever. Remember, I put money back in the bank. I closed my margin. $3,000 in the bank that just sits there. It's not the money I have to pay the bills. It's $3,000 just sitting in the bank. And the only reason why it sits there is so they don't charge me $15 a month to keep the bank account open. That's it. $3,000. What would you do? I'm going to ask a poll now. Leave the $3,000 in the bank. Remember, it doesn't pay any bills. It just sits in the bank. And it just sits in there so the account doesn't get charged $15 a month. That's it. That's all it does. Or transfer $3,000. Change banks. Yeah, change banks. Or, that's Bank of America and Chase. Or, put the $3,000 in Robinhood and buy some of these dips. Buy some Tesla at 632. Buy some Rivian at 26. What about Google? What about any of these? All these stocks that are down like 20, 30%. Let's do a poll. $3,000 in the bank. doing nothing, but it's peace of mind, security, 3 grand in the bank. You always need to have some cash. But it's not doing anything. It just sits there. Doesn't do anything at all. Or bring the 3 grand in and use it to buy dips. Right. But what if the dips go lower? Here we go. Leave. What should I do with my $3,000? Leave in bank, buy the dips. Leave in bank, buy the dips. What should I do with my $3,000? Leave in bank or buy the dips? Ask the community. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. I agree with the principle, just not Robinhood as a choice. Why not? Robinhood is the cheapest way to buy crypto. That's a fact. There's no commission to trade. It's free. I use Robinhood. I love it. I'm familiar with it. I prefer it over WEBULL or prefer it over eTORO. That's not the question. What brokerage you would use? It is. I use Robinhood, so that's not that. That's not that. Robbie Cooper says, buy those dips. Market profit. Breaking news. Tesla announces they'll be facing battery shortages in 2024 or 23-24. Because if it's 23-24, I ain't bothered. I'm assuming you mean 2024. I'm assuming you mean 2024. 23-24, yeah, I thought so. That's not good. Carlos says buy the dips. Zach says buy the dips. You've forgotten the option to throw a massive party. There is that option. Sorry, I didn't include that option. Breaking news. Amazon cancels plans for 14 new warehouse expansions into 2022. Robinhood is very vulnerable to sellers taking control of the stock. Robinhood is very vulnerable to sellers taking control of the stock. What do you mean vulnerable to sellers taking control of the stock? Very weak. That pull that you just did explains why they have not seen the bottom yet. Everyone is still way too bullish, waiting to buy the dip. That poll that you just did explains why we have not seen a bottom yet. Everyone is still too bullish, wanting to buy the dip. 73%. Martin, I would bring quality instead of quantity on your portfolio. Mark Drillian says, I would bring quality instead of quantity on your portfolio. Well, my old portfolio now, full list, here it is. This is my overall portfolio right now. On the hour, let's do it on the day. I think I've got quality. Let's go through it quickly. Vanguard S&P, Virgin Galactic, Tesla, Rivian, Lucid, Arrival, Amazon, Apple, Hood, McDonald's, Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, MasterCard, Google, Microsoft, Nvidia, Meta, SoFi, IonQ, PayPal, Rolls-Royce, Walmart, Target, Tesco, Canoe, On, IPOF, Tilray Brands, Ginkgo Bioworks, Open Door, Enphase. I just added that yesterday. I'm looking at it. Bitcoin SV, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then some dividends ETFs. I think that's pretty good. I'll keep it in cash for day trading. Well, yes, so you'd have to invest it in the first place though, right, Moose? You have to invest it, but you'd bring it in. Look at Robinhood daily chart. Sellers are in control of the stock. Momentum traders, no interest in it, so it's vulnerable. Look at Robinhood daily chart. Do you mean the stock itself? Sellers are in control of the stock. Momentum traders, no interest in it. Oh, okay, you're talking about the actual stock of Hood itself, right? That's what you're looking at, right? He has changed his portfolio and brought a lot of quality into it and a lot of defensive positioning. I think he's off to a good start. Thank you, Market Profit. I think so. I'm happy with it. There is still a lot more speculative stocks in his portfolio, but he has trimmed a lot of the high growth out and put a lot of consumer discretion in. Yes, in and out. That's what Moose is saying. Yep. Market Profit. The idea that we don't bottom until people are panicking, doesn't that prove the elite are trying to cause a panic? Very good question. Put that question to Market Profit. So there we go. Let me go into the Discord lounge, the broadcast lounge, and open it up. Should anyone wish to call in, the broadcast lounge is now open. There we go. Now then, we've got Day Trader of the Day coming up in a second. We're coming up to the close of bell. Thank you very much for my tea. Thank you. Here is a commercial. You may have seen it, may have not. If you've not yet watched one of our cash prize giveaways, here's the video. Watch it all the way through. Leave a comment. Leave the word Rivian in a sentence. And we also have a second prize draw at the moment. This one as well. This was the margin call for Meet Kevin. That's still running. That's for Friday. Watch it all the way through. I could call in all dressed up. You certainly could. The Discord lounge is open. Oh, by the way, Sam, you've not used your group yet. Because you're a member, not only are you on the homepage of my YouTube channel, not only are you going to get a video, but you've also got your own Discord group, which you've put nothing in. Look, Sam Elton John, right there, there's nothing in it. You've not posted a darn thing. Can't believe it. There is your own channel. That's for you. You can go in there and you can post your pictures of Elton John, your videos. You can make friends. It's there for you. It's part of the membership. You have it. I know you're planning on cancelling your membership, so maybe not worth the bother, but it's there for you right now. It obviously, once you cancel the membership, it gets deleted, as does your YouTube channel, but I'm just saying, as long as you're a member, it's only because you said you're going to cancel it straight away. You told me. That's what you told me. So anyway, it's there right now for you. And it's there as long as you use it. Anyway, make friends. Got a great community here who support all our members. Anyway, he says, I better put something on there then. Well, I would if I was you. Paul Townsend. Hi, Martin. What's your long-term price prediction for Arrival, please? Arrival. I was looking at $40 for Arrival. I was looking at $40 for Arrival. And we'll know next month. We've only got a month to go. Next month, when we see, because June and July, the first micro factory is supposed to open up. That's what's supposed to happen. And if that happens, we're supposed to get some, then we're supposed to get good news. If for some reason the micro factory doesn't open up and doesn't go to plan, then obviously it's not good. But that's what people are thinking is going to happen. That's what the company has said is going to happen. Market Profit said it's all about the Fed positioning sentiment in the market is where you can make tradable bottoms, but the function is 100% dictated by the Fed monetary policy. Until they support markets, we go lower. There we go. Hi Moose, hi Alicia, hi Patricia, how are you all? Let's hear from our traders. Let's hear from Paddy April from Italy.
Hello to everybody. I'm calling from Tuscany, near Pisa. I'm very, very happy to be here. It's very amazing. It's very funny. And to share friendship, a great channel, because you're sympathetic, because it's a great family, a pleasure, and a great emotion.
There we go. And there we go. Another question there from Market Profit. We've got more earnings coming up soon to be scheduled, and I will start adding those to the program soon. Right, let's have a look. That's interesting. 62%. 38% says leaving the bank. So it's not overwhelming, that. Not overwhelming. It's reasonable, but not overwhelming. Anyway, I'll end the poll there now. We've had 16 votes. Yeah, it wasn't like 90%. Yeah, buy the dips. It was little over 50-50, 62-30. So there you go. Muzanella, we need to have a strong stomach to handle the volatility in the market. But in the future, all fundamentally well-positioned stocks will recover. I believe that. We have to just wait at the moment. Right, let's bring you some information here that you'll be interested to see. This is our new member, Sam. He's our Elton John tribute artist, and he's got his own channel now. So if you want some Elton John, not from me, the actual world piano man, but our Sam, here he is. There he is with his band by the looks of things. He's getting some likes already. Look at that. He's getting some likes. Mike's loving it. Look at that. Hey, straight off. Look at that. Very, very popular channel. It's our newest channel. He'll post Elton John stuff. He'll post his life. So please post that into your channel, Tom. Sam, make some friends in there. There we go. Look at all the likes. Wow. You're getting a very strong reaction. Look at that. That's a great reaction. Wonderful stuff. That's over in Discord. I can't keep up with it. Look at all this lot. Flipping hell, Mike, you're blowing it up. He's trying to get ranked up. He's trying to become the day trader of the year, the most engaged person. I love having friends. Well, there you go, mate. You're making a lot of friends here today. Look at this. It couldn't grow quicker. I mean, that couldn't grow quicker. That's ridiculous. Think about what you're going to miss if you cancel your membership. Oh my gosh. He's got more likes on that. He's got more likes on that picture than anyone. That's the world record for likes. In fact, let's have a bit of fun, right? Let's make it so Sam thinks I cannot and must not cancel my membership, right? Let's absolutely kill it, right? I want everyone to go in the Discord and click these likes. Let's give him more likes and more views and blow up his channel than any other channel in the history of Discord. And he goes, oh my God, for $2 a month, $2.99, I've got to stay a member. This is insane, the amount of support I've got. That's what I'm trying to get him to do, not go. Look at that. Look at that, everybody. You've got more likes and loves than I've seen in the history of the world. Bloody hell. Look at that. Right, Mike, enough. Oh my gosh. There you go. Anyway. We need everybody else to do it, because they're all twos. They're all me and Mike's. We're all me and Mike's. He needs more than that. He needs everybody else to do it. There you go. Good luck, Sam. I also saw your videos on Facebook. Great. There you go. There you go. I'm looking for the 3. I'm looking for someone to start clicking 3. Everything's 2 right now. Right, the Bella's gone. We're in the after hours. The overall portfolio is still down 1.92. The S&P is coming up in the after hours. Virgin Galactic never quite got there. Green Day tomorrow, guys. Could be. Is it a Green Day tomorrow? Mr. Mini-Me says, I'm going to go, yeah, it's going to be okay tomorrow. I'm going to call a Green Day tomorrow. Just because the odds are on it, and I mean, if you have a red day for 7 weeks, I mean, the odds are tomorrow's a Green Day, innit? Oh, he's got a 3. Oh, he's got 3s. He's got 3s. Sam, you're getting 3s. You're getting 3s. Who's it? Who is it? It's Ali Isles. Martyn Lucas, which is me. Mike and Ali Isles is playing along. There you go, Sam. People are doing this because they don't want you to leave. They want you to stay. It's the best YouTube channel in the world. All right. Anyway, we'll find out in a month. If he's no longer a member, his badge goes away. Love it. Very good. So, there we go. An end of another fine day. Let's do Day Trader of the Day. Day Trader of the Day. Let's find out who won today. Who was down the least. Oh, we got 4s coming in now. This is it. Mike and one other. Who's the other? Dave Mottram. Dave Mottram. He's not even in the show. He's having chemotherapy from hospital. He's not watching, but he can go on Discord. Sam, you've got Dave Mottram. Look at this. You've got Dave Mottram, who can't be on the show. He's in hospital having chemotherapy, but he can be on Discord. And he's... Look at that. Nordstrom just beat earnings. That's a good sign. Nordstrom just beat expected earnings. That's good. Target couldn't do that. And Walmart couldn't do that. So there you go. Pretty impressive. I can't believe this, Sam. You need to go and check this out, mate. You've got the record numbers of everything in here. There you go. Anyway, the most popular post in the history of the world. I put a video on there now. Oh, have you? Well, now you're pushing it now. They won't go and watch it until I ask them to. So you got to be nice to me, Sam. Stop saying I'm going to cancel straight away. Don't want to be doing that. I'm not a corporation, Sam. I'm not Netflix. You can't sign up, get all the benefits, and then say next month I'm cancelling. You got to win friends here, Sam. I'm giving Sam a hard time now. Rivian is up slightly in the after hours. All right, we're going to end the show there. You've put a video up. I don't see it. I don't see your video. All right. I don't see your video yet. It might take a while for it to upload. Anyway, always be nice to you. I know, but I'll definitely be back. Yeah, but if you cancel it or you lose all your fans and everything, that'd be daft. You don't want to do that. I have never seen so many likes on everything. This family is like, no question, the best in the world. Right. we're going to rock it up there. We're going to rock it up there, rack it up there, stick it up there. I don't know what we're going to do. We're going to finish. We're going to end it. So we've come to the end of the show. So if you're watching, give us a subscribe or ring the bell. If you're watching on the repeat, give us a thumbs up. Wasn't such a bad day. How many did we end up? We've got 25 watching, 22 likes. That's near perfect. That's near perfect. We've got 3,226 subscribers. It's gone a bit quiet the last few days because I haven't been making new videos. I want to thank ever so much everyone who watched the Rivian Amazon truck is here video. If you've not yet seen it, here it is. We've had 87 views on it, and nearly every one of my members, nearly everyone, watched it, didn't just leave a comment, didn't just like it, didn't just watch it to the end, you rewound it and watched it again. And I could tell that because I had over 4 minutes watch time on a video that was only 2 minutes 25 long. It's going down now, of course, because strangers who don't know me are watching it. But that you gave it a really, really, really good start. And that is how you promote YouTube videos. So there you go. Thank you ever so much, everyone who played more than their part there today. Absolutely awesome. Virgin Galactic, this limit order here is 645. 40 shares for 645. That's not actioned yet, but let's hope it does. Tesla's going sideways. Rivian is coming up slightly. Lucid's coming up slightly. Apple is going sideways. Amazon sideways now. There is a record 5 trillion in cash on the sidelines. We don't need the Fed. We just need the money to come back in. Yeah. We need Elon. I tell you what we need. I tell you, there's only one thing we need. Elon Musk to throw Twitter in the bin and buy back into Tesla. That's all we need. That is all we need. And everything would be rosy in the garden again. That's a fact. Now I'm back working. Hopefully I can keep my membership going. There you go. Hey, but the thing is, if you work hard, and let me just tell you, right, there are some people who won't invest in themselves, and I've always invested in myself. I've always been prepared to work for nothing. I know my value. I know what I'm worth. I've sold tickets all over the world, 195 countries. I know what I'm worth, but you've got to put yourself out to go forward. And if someone gave me the opportunity for $2.99 a month to have my own Discord channel on a popular server with an audience, and said I'd put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel, and I'd make you a video, and I'd do I would bite their arm off, and I would make the most of it. I'd produce great content, I'd make great videos, and that's what I'm doing now. You've got to help yourself to get ahead, and most people don't. Most people don't. What would you do? Drink have a Starbucks, or have 3 months of membership on the channel? It's a no-brainer. Later, guys. Walmart calls and spy puts. Let's go back to Walmart. Let's have a little look. He's got to do his Walmart puts. Let me have a little look. Let's go down the stocks. Where's my Walmart? Here we are. Walmart. Oh dear. I've only got I sold it earlier. I made a profit, but I'm currently out of it. It's very, very undervalued. At the moment, it's sold off. Good time to buy back in, no question. It's starting to rise now, though. You can see it starting to come up. I'd like some more Walmart. I don't have any money to put in there, but I can't do it right now. So that's it from me. Thank you very much, everyone. for being here today. We are back in the morning, of course, for the opening bell. Let's hope for a great day. We've got some more videos coming out, some surprise videos coming out. We've got membership day. Bill just woke up. We got membership day on Friday, of course, and we'll feature Sam. It might be somebody else as well this week. So we're very much looking forward to that. We've got the cash prize giveaway on Friday as well. There was one other thing I wanted to show everybody. What was it before I went? Oh, yeah. Let me go and check. I forgot. Twitch. Yeah, we've got one viewer. That's Bill. He's over there on TikTok. He's half asleep. There we go. So 27 followers now. Just 23 to go. All right. That's it from me. Thank you very much indeed for being here. I guess I missed it. Yeah, you missed it, Bill. Got to rewind it now. You missed it. You missed all the fun and the frolics of the fair. But that's it. I'll be back in the morning, and hopefully we'll have a much better day. If you're feeling down right now, who's feeling down right now? Are you feeling all black and grey? Are you all feeling sad and lonely? Well, don't worry, because the sun will come out soon, and things will get better again. And I'm now playing around with some new effects, but I love it. And just think on tomorrow. Tomorrow is another day, all right? Tomorrow will be fine. We'll be all right. That's it from me. Bye. See you all. Take care of yourselves and each other.